Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. I don't think the camera does it justice. It's cold out, frost on the ground. Have a great holiday season and Merry Christmas. Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to test out this Harbor Freight product. It's a gas pump and supposed to run over 6 quarts a minute. So we'll let natural time of this camera show how fast this goes in. But let's get this pulled out of the box. Got a simple on-off switch. Looks like it takes 2 D batteries. Got a little keeper here for the hose, which is kind of neat. It says do not run this unit without fluid for more than 10 seconds. So I gotta get this little cover off the bottom here. That's not good. Not wanting to come off easy. And being that I want to put this in gas, I want it all off. Definitely don't want this in the tank of the car or the lawnmower. That was brilliant on their behalf. Alright, well I'm going to have to take this in the house and get some Goo Gone or something to take this off. Alrighty, we made it back, so let's go in here and watch all this happen. Figured I would want something to sit this on, and now my diagnosis confirmed. Turn the pump on. Probably a little hard for you guys to see that line, ain't it? But that thing is over half empty already. So this might be faster than dumping it. I'll have to come back here in a couple days and time this on how fast it takes to dump. Because I've created video on how to retrofit a can with the vent so you can go back to the old school. I'm basically there, guys. This is part 2. We're going to put we're going to pour the can out, see which is faster. Old school can or the gas pump. If you haven't seen my other video, I show you how to put in a replacement vent. Ready? Here we go. I also sell replacement gas nozzles. So if you need help with finding them, give me a shout. I'll include my number to give me a text. The entire can, guys. Well, I'll watch the film and I'll put it here on the end which was faster. I know which one will work better if you got a bad back or you're sick, don't feel good. Now that leaves about just a small amount right here that this can't get out. Well, the electric gas pump took 2 minutes to empty the can. When I poured it by hand, it took just under a minute and a half. So about 33 seconds faster for manually doing it. You noticed I turned this pump around, and gravity flows back into the can, whatever's left in. So all in all, I like it. And it'll make filling up a lawnmower a lot less of a mess, filling up like the tiller, all the little things. And if we ever get in a pinch where one of us gets hurt, it will definitely make that part of it easier too. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.